the heifer and milk section, the 3 different sections in our overall competition before we arrive at our eventual Bailey's champion. Gary, the Mox prefix, he's bred 3 different national champions as well too. He's had a very, very regular sale on farm as well too. His genetics are dispersed all throughout Europe and have done extremely well. Top shows throughout Europe. I saw him in action, like quite a few I'd say around the ring, at the European Championship show in Colmar in 2016 in France, where I thought he did an absolutely outstanding job. Many of you remember Joshua starts to draw his heifers into line here and then finally into a final line, and we'll be asking him right throughout the afternoon. We'll be asking Markus to make his observations on all the classes, and he will do that. He's certainly a very, very good man on the microphone to back up his judging on that way.
Okay. Remember, the winner of the weight.
Different parts of the competition this afternoon have over 13,000 euros in prize money, but in this particular heifer and mud section, the winner goes away with 750 euros first prize. Reserve is 500 and honorary mention 300. So some good.
Excuse me. See that thing right there? What does it do?
Fashion show
Are you
is in
filming it
Fox.
already? Are you filming it?
Huh?
Are you filming it?
Once again to announce the McBride Variety Show at the Ramor Theatre.
Just looking at the line that's pulled in now, it just emphasises the geographical spread of the exhibitors who come here to compete today. The heifer first on the line is from Mrs. Paulsard in Slatabogie, Holsteins, that's in Mahara in County Derry. The second prize heifer is a Limerick heifer. The third prize a Wexford heifer. The fourth prize is a County Cork heifer. There's a couple of County Louth heifers in the line, and of course all the way through. So as usual in Bailey's, this show and this ring usually brings the very best together from all around the country. So entry number 3, Hallow Lambda Hanico Twizzle, Hanico daughter from the famous Twizzle cow family. Hanico daughter from the famous Twizzle cow family. Andrew O'Driscoll from County Cork, who's in 4th place. Matthew Flanagan, County Louth, is in 5th. The Monabar herd in 6th place.
I see we have one of the nerves.
So a really, really good, strong class of heifers, and we're going to very shortly be handing you over to Markus and he'll talk you through his placings in this class. So congratulations again to Slatabogie Holsteins, Al and Leanne, and I'm not sure if it's Cody that's there. They're our only exhibitors from Northern Ireland this year. It's great to have them with us.